it's me again, Sammy Mila, your friendly neighborhood culinary specialist and food stylist. And today I am here to show you this super easy hummus ice cream. Sounds kind of funky, but I promise it's good. Ready? I've got 2 cans of chickpeas, drained and dried. I'm going to toss that into my handy dandy food processor and blend it just for a sec, just to kind of get things moving. To this comes my peanut butter, maple syrup for sweetness, unsweetened cocoa powder, just a splash, vanilla, and spin. Ready? Okay. Consistency-wise, looks pretty good. Depending on what brand of beans you use, if it looks a little too thick, you can always add a little water. That definitely won't hurt it. But this is where we're at right now. This is our chocolate hummus, quote unquote ice cream. Gotta do the air quotes because we're actually not gonna freeze it, we're just gonna pop it in the fridge. But we're gonna scoop it like ice cream, so I can still call it ice cream. If you don't have a loaf pan, you can literally use any kind of plastic container you've got with the lid. You just wanna make sure you cover it when you chill it so it doesn't get that weird dry skin thing. So the cool thing about this hummus, because literally it's hummus because it is made out of beans, is that if you're not a fan of chickpeas, you can just as easily swap for black beans. I'm gonna spread this out. Another piece of plastic. Place that over, and I'm just gonna set this right on top. And again, with a plastic container, you can just put the lid on and it'll be totally fine. Okay, I'm gonna chill this for a couple hours to get it nice and cold. And then we'll come back and scoop. My ice cream came from the fridge, not the freezer, don't forget. And it's nice and kind of firmed up a bit, and now it's nice and scoopable. See, doesn't that look like ice cream? Cinnamon sugar peanut chips. I'm just gonna put a giant one off to the side, real cute like. And then I have Granny Smith apples. I'm doing everything backwards, so hopefully it looks good from that angle. Should we do chocolate syrup? Chips on top, because ice cream is not ice cream without sprinkles. So it's a super easy hummus ice cream that you can enjoy with your friends any time of year. Thanks again for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time on Extra Sweet.